Yes, till what level you can go to show your craze, love, admiration towards them. We will give you a real example of a crazy fan from Bengaluru. Take a look. An ardent lover of K-pop music. The love for K-pop music has taken over this Bengaluru-based girl, Vidisha, to an extent that she collected 200 posters of the singers. 21-year-old Vidisha Kuripuri has the 7 names and the complicated spellings of BTS, her favorite K-pop band, on her fingertips. You all must have seen how crazy the character of Gaurav for Shah Rukh Khan in the movie Fan was. Well, Vidisha is no less, because she has been to the US to attend the BTS concert, for which the pass was no less than 26,000 rupees. Watching the videos of K-pop day and night, she has memorized some of the Korean songs. She even hosts parties for the fans of K-pop singers. Collection worth rupees 12 lakh. Yes, you heard that right. Vidisha has the entire collection of coasters, standees, albums, fans, posters worth rupees 12 lakh. There is not even a single part in the wall of a room where you can see the paint, because all you can see are the posters. There are people who want to decorate their walls with their photographs or paintings by eminent artists. But this young girl is different and doesn't mind spending lakhs in these printed papers decorated on the wall. A few of her favorite bands are BTS, EXO, Big Bang, Girls' Generation, Infinite, Sister, and a lot more. She admires all of them to an extent that she has magazines of them with Korean text. Though she can't read the language, she just buys them for their pictures. Not just the four walls, but the ceiling also has posters, and in the corner of her room where her bed lies is where she spends her day. She sleeps while looking at them, she wakes up while looking at them. What do you expect
when you enter someone's room? A bed, a cupboard, maybe a dressing table, and some photo frames. But we will take you to a young girl's room whose room is decorated by things you wouldn't have expected. Let's go and take a look. As you can see, the room is filled with posters of Korean pop singers. Here is the ardent fan Vidisha, a young fan of Korean pop singers. So, Vidisha, tell us that how did you become a fan of these singers on what span of time?
I've been a K-pop fan for around 9 years. Like I was in the US for about 2 years. So there I had a Chinese friend, and she just showed me like a few K-pop videos, and I started liking K-pop since then.
So, since when you have been collecting all these posters, and not only posters, I've seen that there are a lot of things. There are albums, there are coasters, there are standees, and whatnot. So, tell me since when you've been collecting this.
I think it's been about like 5 years since I started collecting. I started out with one album, and like right now I think I have about like 400 of them.
So, we all have seen Fan, and we have seen how Gaurav is crazy about Shah Rukh Khan and has collected so many posters of Shah Rukh Khan in their room. In the same way, Vidisha has collected, I don't know, how many posters you've collected so far?
I've lost count of it because, as you can see, like each you can't even make out the paint of the room because there's so many of them. But I would guess around 200.
Oh, 200 is a big number, and there are posters of each and every size. So, how many bands group you follow, and what all bands posters are over here?
I am a huge fan of K-pop, so I like everything K-pop basically. I think in this room there are about like 15 bands, and there are also posters of the dramas which I've watched, just as a memory. Yeah.
Oh my God! So where do you buy these from? From the retail stores or online? Because I doubt that these so many posters of K-pop singers would be available in India or anywhere else.
You can buy them only online. There's the US eBay site. So my dad stays in the US, so he orders from there for me.
Okay, I want to know one thing when you spoke about your dad. Are your parents happy with this? I mean, with the collection, the craze you have for these singles.
At first they weren't, but I guess now they've kind of gotten used to it.
And how much money you have spent on all this? Because this seems to be a pretty huge investment.
I don't know if I should say this, but I think it's about like 10 to 12 lakhs.
That is a huge amount. I mean, in 10 to 12 lakhs, people can do so many things when you have just decorated a room. So, are you happy with your collection?
I'm pretty happy with my collection. As you can see, I'm a huge fan of BTS, and I collect like every single thing that they release. Uh, so actually, for the Japanese album, they release like three versions, and I collect all three versions, like everything, and I have their autographed albums. Basically, everything with their face on it is like in my room.
So, you don't feel like meeting them?
I've actually been to their concert in New York. It was an amazing experience, and I would love to go again.
Okay, I'll ask you one thing. If you get a chance to marry one of them, will you?
Honestly speaking, I have way too many biases, so I don't think I can choose. So I mean, I can like only like a person for like 1 or 2 days, so I keep changing who I like every day.
But your love for BTS knows no bounds, as it.
Yeah, BTS is my ultimate group. So yeah.
So, how do you spend your time? You keep watching their videos, or what do you do?
Actually, BTS is known to be like a fun-loving group. On YouTube, there's a channel called Bangtan TV, and they release behind-the-scenes videos of them goofing around. So I started falling in love with the characters, like personalities and stuff. Usually in India, it's like you don't really get to know the personality of the stars, right? But then in K-pop, they just show you everything. So they don't feel like celebrities; they're like friends. So yeah, that's what makes it better.
Okay, so tell me that which is your favorite artist?
It's pretty obvious it's BTS, but yeah, it's BTS is ultimate for me.
And apart from the posters, what else you have?
I have like pillows of BTS, and my favorite. Uh, this is my and yeah.
And what are these albums?
These are just like the albums which have the CDs like included.
That's really interesting. I also want to know that what are your future plans? Given a chance, will you be a part of their band?
I wish I could, but I don't think I'm talented enough because these people are amazing and they actually go through a rigorous training. BTS and EXO have been in training for around 3 to 5 years, and only then do they debut. So, yeah, I would love to be a part of a K-pop band. It'd be amazing.
So if you didn't know that K-pop is a Korean music, and I want to know, since you are an Indian, do you understand the language?
At first, I didn't really understand it, but then, as you can see, like music is like a universal language. So I don't really know what they're saying, but I love the beat and I love watching them, the choreography, and I actually seeing these videos, I started like learning Korean like that. So now I can understand everything without subtitles.
So you watch or you use Google Translator to understand the language?
Yeah, there are actually many videos on YouTube with the English subtitles, so anybody can see what it means.
Oh my god, you're that crazy for them that you have learned another language. Well, I have seen and I have read that love knows no language, but we have seen a real example, a young girl of Bengaluru who knows Hindi, English and Telugu has learnt Korean because she is a great fan of K-pop music.
That's what you call a fan. These artists are in their early 20s and have made a name and fame in South Korea and across the world. Their concerts keep happening in every part of the world, and that's how she attended a concert in the USA. We have seen people who collect coins, who collect stamps, who collect paintings, but she collects the faces of K-pop singers. She mentioned that given a chance, she would like to decorate every part of her house with their posters. And yes, talking about Korean music, she never really knew the language, but she translated, used certain apps just to understand what they say. And now she doesn't even need subtitles because it's been 9 long years since she has been listening and watching Korean songs and dramas that she can speak and understand the language. Well, someone has truly said, love knows no bound. Palak Mehra, News 9, Bengaluru.
It's the right